before it gets pretty, so just so you know. It's not going to be a pretty sight. Some of mine were hideous. Hideously ugly, I'm telling you, for real. You can ask Trina. I'm like, oh my goodness, this thing is so ugly. I am going to not like this. But I ended up loving it, so yeah. Super loved it. So yeah, I think that's enough of that. I just put it a little bit here and there. And yeah, I have to have a lot of baby wipes. Pampers, Parents' Choice. I think I bought more baby wipes now than I did when I had my granddaughter in diapers. I'm telling you, I really go through a lot of baby wipes. I probably shouldn't even have cleaned that up because I could have used it later. But I'm trying to keep it as clean as possible with, so I could show you. Okay, this is still kind of ugly a little bit. But I also did get some, I'm going to put some of this on there. This, I got it on Amazon. It's furniture wax. It's white antiquing wax. And Debbie used white wax as well, but she used her brand, which I cannot seem to find. So this is what I found on Amazon. And it's just white wax. I also have this, which is clear wax from when I used to redo furniture before my hands got not good. But yeah, this wax is just clear. This is white. And you'll see me probably use both throughout. And I just take this cheap old, I don't even know where this came from, this brush, but I found it, and so that's what I'm using. And I will just dab it in there. And you don't need a lot, that's for sure. This just kind of gives it the weathery kind of look. Oopsie, get off there. This brush is so cheap, it's just losing its fibers. And you just tap it all over the place. Get it down in the grooves. Like so. And it just kind of dulls it up highly. Makes it look kind of ugly. Uglier the better. Then I just take my, this is just a piece of linen that I had cut some pretty stuff off of, and I just use this for waxing my wax. And I just do it like this, and I just start wiping it all off. It kind of shines it up, yet gives it an old kind of look to it. This part I have to put my hand down so I can get a grip on it. It's kind of sticky at first, but then it becomes super smooth. And once it starts getting smooth, then I can do this. I just clean it all up, like so. And now it's all nice and smooth. You can feel where it's not, then you just wipe it a little bit. And then we have this so far. And of course, it's nowhere near done. So I think I want to use maybe a little bit of this. Metallic luster, iced espresso. It's still soft from yesterday. Okay, so I think I'm going to just rub some of this on like that. See how that made it look? And if you get too much somewhere, you can just wipe it off with a baby wipe. get it a little wet and it will come right off before it hardens. I just go over the little, I don't get it down in there, just kind of like on the tops, and I'll put it here and there throughout that. Just kind of rub it in there. And if I want, I will just put some water on there and just, if it starts getting too hard for my hands to smear it around, that's what I'll do. I'll just put some water on it. If I get too much where in one spot that I don't like. Kind of looking metalish. It looks kind of cool. Okay. I'm not going to screw that on there because I don't know. I might use it again. So I just got to get some of this off my hands so I can see what I'm doing. Okay. Now let's see. What do I want to do? I have some of this blue that Trina gave me. It's kind of like this stuff, only blue. I don't know what color this is because I don't have the container to it. But I'll take this and again just spray a little water in there to make it a little bit softer. Put some on my brush and just kind of put some here and there and rub it around. Like that. Just wherever you want it, actually. There's no strict way. It's just to whatever you like to do it. So you can go back over the middle of that and just kind of tap it here and there. Like just dab some here just to give it some more color. I put layers and layers and layers on this thing before I am done. Like I want that groove to be blue. There's some blue here and there. I'm not going to put that in the water yet. Here we go with another color. I've even used this eyeshadow, that brown one right there. I've even used that on these. I can show you how I did that. I mean, who cares what this looks like, right? Oh! I will put, I'll get this little, where is it? I'll get a little bit of this white wax and put some right here. I get the white wax just so, or the clear wax, and then, come here, brush. Oh my goodness, all my brushes are wet. I am not, like, too prepared. Let me wipe this off. And I will just take this. This isn't the exact color I like, but I'll just scratch some and dump it on there. and it kind of sticks. See that? It'll stick to it and make it look super old in that spot. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I hope you can see that. Yeah, you just stick it wherever you want it. Let's put some over here. Just kind of gives it a brownish, rusty look because I don't have everything I need, so I'm going to do it like this. See how that just sticks to it? Super love it. And then I'll just take whatever's on my brush and just move it around here and there. Like that. And if you think it's too dark, which I don't think it's too dark, you can take this, spray it on there, and just wipe it off. But I kind of like that, so yeah, I kind of like it. I think I'm going to leave it. So let's see. Let me clean this up. You can take any color eyeshadow and do that if you have some clear wax. You just put the wax on first and then put your eyeshadow on it and it will stick right to it. Now I'm going to take this, it is antique gold. Ooh, that's what this is. And this one's kind of dry, so I just spray some water in there. Put my finger in there and just kind of work around it. Not all over it, but just in certain spots. Just dabbing it here and there just to make it look old. This color. This is called, afraid of our brush, silver, old silver. You can tell I put water in this one. And that's what it looks like. I know you're probably thinking, why did she just cover up part of it? But that's just how you get this look. And then, of course, I know I'm not going to be able to duplicate this look again. I mean, they come kind of close, but nowhere near close. I kind of like that, actually. I like the brown eyeshadow in there. Yeah, I like it. So, let me see. And then I take my rag, my dirty old nappy rag. And that stuff dries so quick that you can, I just kind of like buff it up a little with my rag. And look, I hope you can see it. I can't look in here. Let me see. Oh, is that not amazing? Oh my gosh, I love it. I super love it. So you get, let's see. Oh, hold on one sec. So you get from this to this, or this to this. Is that not super cool? Oh my goodness. And see, yeah, I probably won't be able to duplicate this by no means at all whatsoever, because I never can. Let me get you my other one. See, like this one? I super love this. And I don't even remember what base color I used. And everything I used is on my desk, but I can never, I don't know what I did. So, yeah, they kind of all have their own look to them. Super love that. And I love this big old one. I know I painted this one white with this ivory right here. But after that, I don't know what I did to it. I was so mad. I'm like, I cannot duplicate it. So I tried, and then I came up with this. See? Nothing is ever the same. Nope, sure ain't. And then I tried to do, let me see. I tried to do, I did this one, and I super love this. Super love it. I don't even know what I did to it, but I came up. This one is the only one that I got close, kind of the same, but they're seriously not the same. But yeah, I love these. I love this one. Can't remember what I did to it, but they all have their own loveliness to them. So yeah, super love it. And see now, this one, I'll just go back and make sure all the edges are tacked down and where I want them to be, like so. And I'm going to definitely try this method on a book cover, journal cover. Oh yeah, I can't wait. Could that not be awesome on a book cover? It's going to be amazing. But yeah, all different levels of doneness. And I just used a little bit of everything you see here. Yeah, I got all those to do still. And I got this little bunch of different paints from Walmart. Yeah. Got all those lovelies. So, yeah, I hope this helped you out by showing you what I accomplished out of just stuff I had on hand. And, well, I didn't have this or my molds on hand or the paper clay, but the rest of it, pretty much, yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed my video, and I will try to answer any questions that you may have. And I will link Debbie's video below as well. Hers came out shabby chic-ish, which I super, super love, and I want to try. Trina's going to paint some, hopefully, shabby chic. Mine came out more boho primitive, but this is me, so, yeah. Yeah, I will link Debbie's video below, and you can go check her out. She does some amazing, crazy furniture. Love it. And, yeah, have a great day. Sorry the video is so long. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.